Welcome to Module 3, the Obstetric Abdominal Exam, Part 1, Fundal Height and Leopold's Maneuvers. By the end of this module, you will be able to visually inspect the pregnant abdomen and identify both normal findings and red flag abnormalities. You will also learn how to accurately measure fundal height in centimeters and correlate that measurement with gestational age and fetal growth. In addition, you will learn and perform all 4 Leopold's maneuvers: the fundal grip, lateral grip, Paulick's grip, and pelvic grip. These maneuvers help determine fetal lie, locate the fetal back, and identify the presenting part. These are hands-on skills that become easier with practice. I strongly recommend practicing on a mannequin, a pregnant volunteer if available and appropriate, or even a pillow and ball simulation at home. The more you practice, the more confident and accurate you will become. Muscle memory matters here. Let's get to work.